this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Lots of Heart bundle. Here's the Lots of Heart bundle. At first I wasn't sure about it, but now it is my favorite Valentine bundle in the mini catalog. I just love all the dies. There's hearts and sentiment and this cute little strip of hearts. I love that. But man, the dies are what I love. I love this little looping die right here, which is on the card. And I love all these little hearts, flowers, and you get all these size hearts, this nice scalloped heart and an outline heart, dotted heart, flower hearts on here. Just so many dies that are so fun to put together and use on cards. Just love it. So I'm going to use a lot of these dies on this card. But first I'm going to start with a little watercolor wash background using my favorite shimmery white paper, a water painter, and some Pool Party ink. And I'm just going to start by getting my paper wet. Just get it wet. And then I'm going to grab some of this lovely Pool Party ink and start putting it on. That looks pretty good. Squeeze out a little bit more. Soften the edges a little bit, maybe. That looks good. All right, I'm gonna let that dry while I build my heart. So I'm gonna start with the scalloped heart in Gorgeous Grape, and then I cut out the flower heart in Highland Heather, and I used an adhesive sheet to make it easy to adhere. So I'm just going to peel off the backing, and I'm just going to stick it right on there. And then I've cut out from the Always Dies Love and a vellum layer. So I'm going to adhere this to the vellum layer. And again, I use the adhesive sheets to make it super, super easy to adhere. Super quick. I'm going to hide some mini dimensionals behind here. I want that popped up, so I'm going to hide one over here. And I'm going to try to hide one over here. Put that on there, love. All right, and then I'll put some dimensionals on here and get this ready. Okay, so that's my heart. And now I'm going to adhere my card base. All right, now that this has dried, I'm going to put my hearts on. So I'm just going to peel the backing off of the hearts. Just center them on here. I cut the hearts out of Pool Party, and I used Pool Party for the wash. So I'm just going to snip off this heart here. And just snip this little piece right there. So I've got my cute little row of hearts. Now I'm going to adhere down a shimmery white piece. added extra adhesive so that this stays flat. Nice and flat. And then I'm just going to add on my heart. And there's my card. I'm offering a card kit for the Lots of Heart bundle, and it consists of these 6 cards. If you would like this free card kit, you can place a $30 order by going to my website, elainescreations.net, and entering this January hostess code. And you can also get this card kit for free when you purchase the Lots of Heart bundle. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Lots of Heart card kit. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.